제가 아까도 좀 신기한데 뭄바이는 올라존에서 타는 데가 엄청 편한 것 같아요. 이런 택시 어플 타고 다니고 나서부터 여행하기 엄청 편해지긴 했어요. 뭄바이에 도착했고 짐도 풀었습니다. 식단 상태에서 보여드렸어야 되는데 인도에서 묵는 숙소 중에 제일 비싼 곳이에요. 1박에 10만 원이 넘고 비싼 이유가 이 하버뷰 때문입니다. 진짜 예쁘기는 해요. 원데이 투어를 신청을 해뒀는데 뭄바이에 오는 길을 신청을 해가지고 이게 된 건지 안 된 건지를 사실 모르겠어요. 근데 저 가운데 센터에 어렴풋이 보이는 섬 같은 게 있거든요. 엘레펜타 섬이라고 하고 제가 뭄바이에 온 이유입니다. 유적지도 좀 좋아하는 편이고 섬도 좋아하는 편인데 저희가 그 두 개가 같이 되는 곳이에요. 아직까지는 조금 인도 여행이 순조로운 것 같아요. 지연도 없고 비행기나 이런 연착도 없어가지고 근데 아무래도 인도는 악명이 없다 보니까 조심조심히 다니려고 합니다. 투어할 때 카메라를 좀 켜보도록 할게요. 뿅!
Actually, this is my first time in India.
Okay. Varanasi, you like Varanasi?
So incredible.
I had been to that place. So they just want to get the money from us.
Really?
Yeah. What about the Indian food?
So good. I like dosa.
Dosa is the South Indian food. Mumbai food is like, spicy.
Spicy?
Yeah.
It's okay, I'm Korean.
You eat lot of chili?
In Korea, many people like spicy food, so I'm not good at, but it's okay. You lived in Mumbai whole life?
Yes, I born in Mumbai, up in Mumbai.
Ah.
But my father has came from northeast part of India.
So far.
176, 3 hours.
3 hours is closed.
Yeah.
India is too big, so.
Yes. You have lot of traffic? You have in your country?
Oh, of course, but not like this because everyone car horn is
Yes.
every time, but Korean is not like this. And I don't know what is the car line,
Yeah.
road line.
No one use the lane system.
Really?
Actually, in India, you need 3 things to drive
Uh-huh.
in India. One is the good horn,
Okay.
second is the good brake, and third one is the good luck.
Good luck. Okay.
Yeah. It's very easy to drive.
No.
No lane system is there.
Oh my god.
We will drive past from the Mumbai University. Mumbai University was made by British. It was made during 1857. University on
So
your right.
this is university?
Yeah.
아.
이게 뭄바이 대학이에요. 이제 보내줘야 될 것 같은데 보내줘.
This is the Bombay High Court.
Mumbai's past name is Bombay, right?
Mumbai.
Mumbai.
So the full form of Mumbai is these lands belongs to fishermen's land. Fisherman goddess name is Mumba. So they had taken the Mumba name. And in the state language, I means mother. The full form of Mumbai is Mumba Mother. Beautiful building and connected the railway station.
Sir, I'm wondering, Indians like British or not?
You know that what was happened on that time. That time everyone wants to rules everywhere. So on that time you can't blame the now people. There is some people, those who are thinking negative. Still they thought that British has done some lot of wrong thing. But that is not their issue. That is not our issue. That is on that time they had done. So whatever the Hitler has done, so you can't blame to whole German people.
Understand, but Korean is a little bit different because they never say sorry, so Korean don't like that.
Yeah. So you are from North Korea.
South Korea.
South Korea.
Yeah.
North Korea is the Kim Jong is there, no?
Kim Jong-un, right?
Yeah. So you have the good connection with the South Korea?
Not good.
Not good?
Yeah.
Because neighbors always fight. We are fighting with the Pakistan.
Ah, right. So India's history and Korea's history are a little bit same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know the Mumbai population? Guess how much it will be?
10 million?
25 billion. 25 million
Yeah.
people are living. They are the official numbers.
Official number.
Yeah, if you will count as unofficial, it will be around 31 million people.
So many people.
Mumbai is the commercial capital of India. Most of the billionaires of India are living in Mumbai. You can see these houses, old houses.
Uh-huh.
These are the labor houses. Now all the factories has moved to the countryside. That's why there is a lot of high-rise buildings you can see on this part of the city. We have the one of the biggest market for the vegetable.
Wow. Almost close, right?
Yes, because it's evening.
Okay.
We will come at the morning time. You see the big house,
Yeah.
the light one?
Uh-huh.
That is the $2 billion house.
Really?
27-story house for 5 people. The owner of the house name is Mukesh Ambani.
Rich guy.
A very super rich guy. So when you are going to marry?
I'm not sure. These days, many Koreans don't wanna
don't marry?
Yeah.
Why? Then how they live the life?
Because if married, after that we have to buy
House.
It is really big problem in Korea. So
Expensive?
expensive, and many people don't wanna have baby.
Okay.
Also,
Why?
it is really hard to raise kids.
So that means I'm working hard. Have 2 kids. Without baby, no life. When you come at home, the baby will call you mama. If you are tired, if you will see your baby, you will refresh it.
Sir, is there any chai shop on the way?
You want to drink chai?
Yeah. Actually, I'm a little bit hungry.
We will try to do some biscuits and chai.
Very good.
They believe everywhere is the God. They believe the holy water Ganga is also the God. You know Ganga?
Ganga, yeah, Varanasi Ganga.
Varanasi Ganga river, yeah.
So family believe same God?
Yeah. And now where we are going, that is the place called Ban Ganga. I will pay. अरे भाई कुछ है यही चालू ही पिलाते हैं
Thank you.
It's hot.
Too hot.
What? गरम है क्या?
It's okay. So nice.
Korea.
점점 가긴 것 같아.
Horn, good horn, good brake and good luck.
Today I have good horn and good driver, right? Many Indians told me careful street food or ice.
Yes, you have to be careful.
Yeah, but there's a lot of street food, so
Yes,
also buy street food, right?
yes,
And also experience stomach ache.
yeah.
Is it also safe foreigner walk here alone? Is it okay?
Sometimes it is great problem for you. Because you know you are the foreigner, so they will try to cheat you. You have to be careful. The shopkeepers always want to sell you something.
Alright. It's also a train station
Yeah,
building.
this is the train station.
Oh, so beautiful.
When we are coming, I had shown you.
Yeah,
I
right.
tell you the lighting will be better. This is the selfie point where you can take.
So many people.
Today there is the function is there. Just listen to your one. On your right you can see this is the Taj Hotel.
Taj Hotel.
This is the hotel was ready on 1903. This hotel is one of the expensive hotel in Mumbai. Tourist has attacked in this hotel on 2008.
Right, I saw Hotel
Yeah.
Mumbai movie.
So they had attack here. They had attacked in the Victoria terminal.
Many people died, right?
Yeah.
샌드위치 이후로 배가 괜찮길래 이제 배탈은 지나갔나 보다 하고 호텔 루프탑에 밥 먹으러 왔습니다. 음식은 꽤 맛있었는데 제가 탄두리 치킨을 시켰거든요. 매웠습니다.
Spicy?
Yeah.
It's okay, I'm Korean.
배탈기가 있는 배에 탄두리 밤을 투어한 거죠. 오늘도 영상 시청 감사드리고 오늘의 여행도 끝!